Camp Kinderland was a wonderful camp. Wonderful camp. It was not a place where they really proselytized, but all the concerts and all the white salutes and everything also had meaning. And I can't remember exactly what they were, but it was all against oppression for the working man, you see, and for Yiddish. That was really the essence of the whole thing. And it was like camp. You get up in the morning, you have to make your bed, you go for breakfast as a group. Stand aside, the first group's coming, campers free and strong, that kind of thing. And, O Kinderland, du Zauberland, da 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 da. You sing a song about Kinderland, you know. Wir kommen sich da abruhen, starken beinahe, O Kinder, Kinder, Kinderland, for Kinder, Gan Eden, heaven, wir spielen, whatever, you know. So it's that kind of thing. And then we have activities. We go to arts and crafts, we go to the sports field, we, what else do? We hang around a little bit, we play some ball, we have rehearsals, always rehearsals going on. Dancing, singing, performing, always rehearsals going on. It was on Sylvan Lake. Everybody said it was a beautiful lake. I never thought it was. Why? Because my idea of a beautiful lake is that there's no road around it, and you can't see traffic around the lake. All you see is woods. That's a beautiful lake. But Kinderland, it was a large lake, Sylvan Lake. There were bungalows on all sides of the lake and a road around the lake, and you could see cars driving around the lake. You know, to me, that's not beautiful. But it was a large lake, and everybody thought it was beautiful. Okay, I'm in a minority. And we would swim across the lake. Not me, I wasn't a great swimmer, but they would swim across the lake and come back. And, on the other side of the lake was Camp Kinderring, a workman's circle. And they hated Camp Kinderland. As a matter of fact, once in the middle of the night, some people from Kinderring rode across the lake with red paint, climbed up on the roof of the casino where we had all the concerts, and painted the entire roof red. And so they had to repaint it, of course. But that was the kind of animosity that was between us, you know, especially them toward us. Theirs was virulent anti-red, and we were not virulently against them, but we were philosophically more, discriminating both things, see.